Hello everyone and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here guys, we have this Oxford entrance exam question and we are to find the value of x. So the first thing guys you want to do right now is to simply square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this to be the square root of x plus 2 multiply the square root of x minus 8 all square, and this is equals to 4 all square. So this we cancel out this, so we have x plus 2 multiply the square root of x minus 8, and this is equals to 4 square. We have 4 square to be what? 16. So the next thing we want to do is to simply isolate 2 into the square root of x minus 8. So doing that, we have 2 multiply the square root of x minus 8 is equals to 16 minus what? X. So at this point, we want to simply what? Square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have 2 multiply the square root of x minus 8 all square is equals to 16 minus x all square. So at this point, we want to simply apply these properties that says if we have a multiply b all raised to the power of x, this is equals to a raised to the power of x multiply b raised to the power of x. And if we have a minus b all square, this is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So applying these identities, we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 2 multiply the square root of x minus 8 all square, and this is equals to 16 square plus x square minus 2 multiply 16 multiply what? X. Alright, so we have 2 square is 4, multiply this, we cancel out this, so we have this to be x minus 8, and this is equals to, we have 16 square to be 256 plus x square minus 2 multiply 16, 32, 32 multiply x is 32 what? X. So open up the bracket, we have 4 multiply x is 4x minus 4 multiply 8 is 32, and this is equals to 256 plus x square minus what? 32x. So let's simply rearrange this properly. So we have this to be x square minus 32x plus 256 is equals to what? 4x minus what? 32. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange this and set it to 0. So we have x square minus 32x plus 256 minus 4x plus 32, and this is equals to 0. So collecting like terms, we have x square minus 32x minus 4x plus 256 plus 32, and this is equals to what? 0. So we have x square minus 32x minus 4x will give us minus 36x plus 256 plus 32 is going to give us plus 288, and this is equals to what? 0. So let's simply factorize this right here. Now if we take the first and the last, multiply it, we have plus 288 what? X square. So we want to think of a number that when you add those two numbers, it's going to give us minus 36x, and when you multiply those two numbers, it's going to give us 288x square. So all you have to do is to say, but 288 is equals to what? 2 multiply what? 100 and what? 44. And this is equals to 2 multiply 144 can be expressed as 12 multiply what? 12. So this is equals to 2 times 12 is 24 multiply what? 12. So that is to say, if we have 24x times 12x, this is equals to what? 288x square. And if we have minus 24 minus 12x, alright, this is equals to minus 36 what? X. So hence, we have this to be what? X square minus 36x plus 288 equals to 0. We can easily express this to be x square. In place of minus 36x, we are going to put minus 24x minus 12x plus, in place of 288, we are going to put 24 multiply what? 12, and this is equals to what? 0. So factor out this two, we have x to be common, we have x minus 24 left, minus, from here up to this point, we have 12 to be common, and if you factor out 12, we have x minus 24 left, and this is equals to what? 0. So at this point, we have this and this to be common, so we have x minus 24 multiply x minus 12, and this is equals to 0. X minus 24 is equals to 0, and x minus 12 is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 plus 24, and x is equals to what? 24, and we have x is equals to 0 plus 12, and x is equals to what? 12. But you want to note that we have the original expression to be given as the square root of x plus to multiply the square root of what? X minus what? 8, and this is equals to 4. So I'm going to say at x equals to 24, we have this to be the square root of 24 plus 2 multiply the square root of 24 minus 8, and this is equals to what? 4. And we have this to be the square root of 24 plus 2 multiply the square root of 24 minus 8 is going to give us what? 16, and this is equals to what? 4. So we have the square root of 24 plus 2 multiply the square root of 16 is 4, and this is equals to 4. We have the square root of 24 plus 2 multiply 4 is 8, and this is equals to 4. So we have the square root of 24 plus 8 is 32, and this is equals to 4. And the square root of 32 is 4 root 2, which is equals to 4. So the left hand side is not equal to the what? Right hand side. So therefore we can say x equals to 24 is what? Invalid. So let's simply solve for x equals to 12. So we're going to say at x equals to 12, we have the expression to be given as the square root of what? X plus 2 multiply the square root of what? X minus 8, and this is equals to 4. So x is equals to 12. We have this to be the square root of 12 plus 2 multiply the square root of 12 minus 8, and this is equals to 4. We have this to be the square root of 12 plus 2 multiply the square root of 12 minus 8 is going to give us 4, and this is equals to 4. So we have the square root of 12 plus 2 multiply the square root of 4 is 2, and this is equals to 4. We have the square root of 12 plus 2 multiplied 2 is 4, and this is equals to 4. We have the square root of 12 plus 4 is 16, and this is equals to 4. And the square root of 16 is 4, which is equals to 4. So we have the left hand side is equal to the what? Right hand side. So therefore we say that x equals to 12 is a valid what? Solution. So we have been able to find the value of what? X. So this is how you can easily solve this Oxford Entrance Maths Examination question. And right here guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the Mathematical Mindset, please do to click onto that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.